Hey everyone, so I got my vein finder here. I mean, what I love about this, it's just so super easy to use, very compact. So anyone that has to give injections, this makes it so much easier. It does have 18 LEDs back here. It does, once you fully charge it up with a cord, and here on the bottom, it's going to last right around 6 hours. And so we've got a button right here on the side. Quick press. It's all lit up. Right now it's telling me my battery life is full and it's at 99. So the 99 is the brightness on it. So if you want to go ahead and lower that, all you're going to do is just press the button, long press, and you can see that it's going to go ahead and lower. And then it also goes right back up again. So for instance, I want to find my vein. There it is, right on my wrist. It's a real small vein. Sometimes it can be very hard to find. Got one up here on my arm. You can definitely see it there. When I've received injections, or had blood withdrawn, they have a difficulty finding this. I would like them to use this so they know exactly where it's at. But I love how compact it is, so easy to use, and for anyone that does need to give injections, like I said, this is perfect for it.